What's the worst defense you've seen someone make in court? 1. I took a guy to small claims court. His defense was, I didn't have the product, so I couldn't ship it to him, obviously. The judge asked, but you took his money? The guy responded, yeah, so I could buy the product and ship it to him. Judge, did you do that? Guy, not yet. Judge, do you still have his money? Guy, no, I had an emergency and had to spend it. That was that, I won. 2. My sister told the judge that the light wasn't that red. Then the judge said he was going to suspend her license, and she replied, but my dad already took it away. 3. I defended a guy on a DUI charge who jumped into the backseat after he got pulled over and claimed someone else was driving. He was the only person in the car. 4. Judge, it says here you were drinking and driving. Defendant, no, sir. I drank, then I drove. 5. I was in traffic court, and the first guy to go before the judge had been pulled over for going some crazy speed, like 140 miles per hour. The judge basically told the guy to say it was a mistake